If I ask you whether the color on this person's face is a single color, a combination of two colors, or three, how would you find out? To identify this, you can use the color remover option. For example, if the area looks slightly bluish, we'll remove the blue. Now, it seems there's a bit of magenta, so we'll remove magenta as well. And as you can see, we've now got a gray image. This means the original color was made up of magenta and blue. Now let's select the blue color and remove it. And then select magenta and change its hue. You'll notice that the light effect is no longer visible, neither on the hair nor the face, or anywhere else. So, if you're unable to identify a color visually, you can use the color remover tool to remove colors one by one and figure out which ones were combined to create it.